Just came back from Hawaii and they put this sticky tape all over the handles. It makes it really difficult to get off. You try scraping it off and it's just really hard to get off. So what do? You use this glue gun right here. Just read the instructions and all you do, spray on the parts that are sticky. So all the different sticker parts or tape part or whatever you're trying to get rid of, that's really hard to scrape on. And just wait a few minutes, come back, get a wet paper towel, a little bit of warm soap, or I could use a paper towel and some water. Washcloths all work well. And then you just use some elbow grease, kind of just rubbing it a little bit, and you'll see it come off. One thing to note, it does not smell that great, so you want to make sure to do it in a ventilated area. Let it go, but look at that, good as new. As if they never stuck that sticker on there. Hopefully next time I go, I can try to prevent them from doing that. But if not, we'll just have to use this glue gun to get rid of it. Works great. Cool, see y'all next time.